Companies are looking for solutions to the supply chain slowdown, and one possible solution, AI technology to target customers more efficiently. Joining us now is David Steinberg, Zeta Global CEO. The company starts its annual Zeta Live conference today, featuring discussions on AI and the future of marketing. $51 billion last year, David, in 2020. $641 billion by 2028. That 50 to 640, that's compound growth of 36.1%. That's faster than the deficit that we're running in Washington. About the same. Actually, this is something we need to invest in, it seems like, as for what it can do and for how much money you could make in this business.
Well, it's, first of all, very little is running faster than deficit, Joe.
That's right. They're giving it a run.
Exactly. I agree. The reason AI is getting the type of attention and investment it is because the return on investment you get, there's very little that you can invest in that can give you better return, whether it's marketing, supply chain management, or other major issues that companies are dealing with. And what we're really seeing now is the single best way for companies to work through the supply chain issues are by using artificial intelligence to better manage their marketing. How do you understand what products you actually have in stock, when you're going to have them in stock, and how to market those products versus, I think we've all been online. We've bought something, and by the time you go through the 15-minute process to purchase it, it then says it's out of stock, or it tells you, even worse, you buy it and it tells you you're going to get it after Christmas. So, the ability to understand that type of stuff and literally push to people products that you have that are comparable to what they might want, but the ability to guarantee them you're going to get those products in time for Christmas is going to be a big game changer for companies.
I mean, we know the data's there. We know everybody knows what we want. Let me see what happened to me. So let's say I need a toilet bowl brush, and I go, where can I buy one of those? So I look for that. And next thing you know, every toilet brush maker in the country is hitting it's like, whoa, how did that happen? And so why not? If you're looking for it, but you can't get that one, why shouldn't AI allow whomever, Amazon or someone, to get you one that's just as good?
It absolutely can. It's just a question of the implementation, right? Right now, most companies, as they've grown, have looked at their company in silos, right? So you have one silo, which is manufacturing, another, which is supply chain, another is inventory management. And I think as we've all found out over the last year and a half, most companies' just-in-time inventory management is not going to work in the current environment. And then you run into container issues and all those problems. And then on the other side of the house, you have the chief marketing officer who's simply pushing whatever they think is hottest. Until we fully integrate those two things, which is what we're doing right now at Zeta, we're importing inventory management into the marketing and the ability to tell people, you might have thought you wanted that toilet brush, but here are 3 toilet brushes that are just as good. And quite frankly, we can get these to you really quickly.